We're here with more than 40,000 people in New York. Thank you for all of this. And one last thing. Through this Love Yourself tour, I'm finding how to love myself. I didn't know anything about loving myself, but you guys taught me through your eyes, through your love, through your tweets, through your letters, through your everything. You guys taught me and inspired me how to love myself. And loving myself is my whole life goal until my death. And what is loving myself? What is loving yourself? I don't know. Who can define their own method and the way of loving myself? It's our mission. It's our mission to define our way to love ourselves. So it's never intended, but it feels like I'm using you guys to love myself. So I want to say one thing. Please use me. Please use BTS to love yourself. You guys taught me how to love myself every day. Thank you so much. We love you guys. Turn it on.
Dear BTS, we don't really know where to start. We have so many things to share, but not sure we'll be able to express everything in this small speech or not. Because we all know some feelings cannot be expressed in words. There are things that cannot be said verbally. We are armies from an unknown places, unknown state that you may not know, but the place where we meet together with you is in our heart. As we all know, music connects us. We were the person who never loved themselves a bit, had a little confidence inside us, but did not knew how to fight with this cruel world. But somehow found themselves beautiful and loving through some music of love created and gifted by you. When they found themselves sad, they always got a warmth from the simple song with an ocean of emotion. Whenever we found ourselves uncomfortable because of the toxicity of this world, you made us realize that there's nothing wrong with us. And if there's something wrong, then that's our judgmental society where we live. You taught us how to love ourselves, you encouraged us every time, you taught us not to change ourselves for someone else and made us believe in those sentences. Just be who you are, no matter what others say, just believe in yourself, speak yourself, love yourself. Use BTS to love yourself. These lines also made us realize that we are following the correct person in our life. You made us realize that there's no time boundaries. If we are determined, desperate enough about something, ready to work hard, then there's no right time. If we start now, that will be our right time. We got to learn from you that hard work always pays off. We never wanted BTS to be a top Billboard artist or Grammy nominated team, but the crazy crackhead persons who can enlighten anyone's mood at once. Many haters say that we love BTS for their looks, but they don't know that's just an additional topping for a dish to us. What we actually like is RM's clumsiness, Jin's dad jokes, Sugar's savageness, Hobby's sunshine smile, Jimin's cuteness, Taeyong's stupidity, and Jungkook's bunny smile. We don't care anymore, we just ignore them cause we already know haters gonna hate, players gonna play, live a life man, good luck. We may not be there from the very beginning, but we love and respect each and every member very specially like how other armies do. There's no difference between armies, we are not individuals, we all are one together. We love and respect you equally. Together we are a family, the biggest purple family. We find ourselves grateful and lucky because we got to know you and entered this huge and wonderful purple ocean like a fish from a small river. All armies believe that you are born to make a history, but you also made us realize that everyone can make their own history by working hard and having faith on themselves. We got to learn so many things from you, but mention few because it will probably not finish. Purple is a color which makes your our life colorful, which is actually made by mixing two colors, red and blue. And it's known to all when the two colors, red and blue, stay together brings happiness and wonderful surprises. That purple color which is brought into ourselves by you and your song, it also fills our heart with love and respect towards you. We purple you, BTS. It seems as if you all debuted yesterday, but already 8 years have passed. We all are working together. Now finally we can understand what you never work alone actually means. We all are going to continue our own journey like this together forever. Lastly, throw stones at me. We don't fear anymore. We are together, bulletproof. Thank you.
BTS, we love you, we purple you.
BTS आप हमारे दिल में रहते हैं।
বিটিএস আমরা তোমাদের খুব ভালোবাসি।
BTS সারাঙ্গা মিলা পড়ায়।
হৃদয় জুড়ে আছো শুধুই তোমরা, তোমাদের ছাড়া মন আর কিছুই বোঝে না। যে যাই বলুক না কেন, কান তোমাদের গান ছাড়া আর কিছুই শোনে না। আমরা একটু বিচিত্র যে পাখির ডাকে ঘুম ভাঙে না, ভাঙে তোমাদের গানে। শুধুই তোমাদেরই নাম আমাদেরই মন মানে। ইটস মিনস
Only you are in our heart. The mind understands nothing but you. No matter what others say, the ears hear nothing but your songs. We are a little weird that instead of birds chirping, we wake up by hearing your songs. My mind cannot understand anything except your names. Thank you for coming in our life.
보라 색깔의 뜻이 뭔지 아세요?
보라색이요.
빨주노초 파란보의 보라색이 마지막 색깔이잖아요. 제 보라색은 상대방을 믿고 서로 오랫동안 사랑하자라는 의미인데요. 네, 제가 방금 지었어요.
깜빡 속을. 맞아요. 자연스러웠어요. 나 진짜인 줄 알았어. 잘했어요. 멤버도 속이다니.
네, 이게 근데 저는 그때처럼 영원히 오랫동안 함께 이렇게 볼 수 있었으면 좋겠습니다. 그리고 저희는
Take my hands now. You are the cause of my